You said that lady is called Madame?
Madame Felix, Lillian Felix.
Madame Lillian Felix. My name is Wasswa Emma. I'm a content creator, a YouTuber. I've loved the heart and spirit you're showing us. Allow me to send my special regards for the uplifting of your fellow women in Africa here. I wish one day I could meet you and I get to know you more all together. So special thanks and greetings from me. I wish you receive my greeting. Thank you so much for the good work you've done for African women. One day if I meet you, I will say hi to you. So one message to her.
Yeah,
Madam.
I even don't even know how best I can thank her. But whenever I meet her,
Yes.
I'm always like, I asked her one question. What do you want from us?
Okay.
Because I already see what she does for us.
Okay.
We can't just tell her thank you. Like even if you feel like giving her money,
Okay.
I feel like it's not enough.
Yes.
You know, someone doing for you something and really feel so nothing you can pay back that can really be big or be appreciative. This woman has also stood for us. There are very many single women there, but I don't even want even recall some of our problems. You find your colleague is crying, doesn't have fees, no nothing, and you find she has called the hound board, given her a bike, given her a permit. By the way, she even gives us phones if you don't have a phone, because we have to connect with these online customers.
Okay.
And then you find if you have a big problem or maybe you've gotten an accident, that lady is always there.
Okay.
She doesn't just give you and then she just dumps you.
But she keeps you around. Okay.
Mama, she's a loving mommy.
Okay.
Mommy Felix always very call her mommy.
Okay.
We love you so much.
Okay.
Alan, I love you so much. Thank you so much for supporting me.
Okay.
You've really enabled me to live, to sustain my life. At least. God bless you.
Wow. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for subscribing. My name is Wasswa Emma. This is Wasswa Emma YouTube channel. You're welcome. You're back for this edition. We're going to be looking at a lady, a superwoman, how ladies do business, how they survive. Have you ever been driven or ridden on a bike by a woman? It was my first time I found her on the road while I was moving. I decided to have a discussion with her today. She's a Boda rider, a motorcycle rider. These stories are powered by Beaver Organic and Natural Healthcare Products, Dr. Beaver Senjobe Richard. Look for him at opposite Masengere, Hamukasa Road. The numbers are there. So you're welcome, madam. What is your name?
I'm Chisache Allen.
Chisache Allen, the motorcycle rider.
Yeah, a Boda female rider.
A Boda female rider.
Within Kampala and Metropolitan.
A Boda female rider within Kampala and Metropolitan. There is what he is saying, W-O-W. It is women on the wheels. Okay, let's come back on that. Now, women on the wheels. Is it a project?
Yeah, it's our project that mobilizes women, sponsored by. We have some. Call them sponsors.
Yes, it's okay.
Yeah, they help us, teach us how to ride. If you don't, at least they provide for your learner's permit. They pay for you some installment, like the first fee for the bike.
Yes.
So you get it, they pay for you that fee. You get it, you start riding it on loan, and at least at a subscribed loan. So, yeah, there is that sponsor who has already put in there. But for me, she found me when I'm already on the way, because this is my 4th year on the road. Only women.
I mean,
those who are willing
to do it.
Business, Boda.
Okay. So, oh man, may I know her name?
She's a white. She's Lillian Felix.
Okay.
She's from Spain. Yeah, she's from Spain. So she got in touch with one of the companies. Previously, I was one with the Boda. So that's when I got to know her. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for subscribing. My name is Wasswa Emma. This is Wasswa Emma YouTube channel. You're welcome. You're back for this edition. We're going to be looking at a lady, a superwoman,
how ladies do business, how they survive. Have you ever been driven or ridden on a bike by a woman? It was my first time I found her on the road while I was moving. I decided to have a discussion with her today. She's a Boda rider, a motorcycle rider. These stories are powered by Beaver Organic and Natural Healthcare Products, Dr. Beaver Senjobe Richard. Look for him at opposite Masengere, Hamukasa Road, the numbers are there. So you're welcome, madam. What is your name?
I'm Kisache Allen.
Kisache Allen, the motorcycle rider.
Yeah, a Boda female rider.
A Boda female rider.
Within Kampala and Metropolitan.
A Boda female rider within Kampala and Metropolitan. There is what he is saying, W-O-W. It is women on the wheels. Okay, let's come back on that. Now, women on the wheels. Is it a project?
Yeah, it's our project that mobilizes women, sponsored by. We have some golden sponsors.
Yes, it's okay.
Yeah, they help us, teach us how to ride. If you don't, at least they provide for your learner's permit. They pay for you some installment, like the first fee for the bike.
Yes.
So you get it, they pay for you that fee. You get it, you start riding it on loan, and at least at a subscribed loan. So, yeah, there is that sponsor who has already stood in there. But for me, she found me when I'm already on the way, because this is my 4th year on the road.
First, remind me about that, because in Uganda here we are having a problem of unemployment. You've said that there is a sponsor who comes on. So this company, NGO, Women on the Wheel, it's an NGO organization. I don't know. There's something I want to focus on. This story here, I think it's a life-changing story. You've said there is an organization, these Women on Wheels. They sponsor women who want to ride. So you said they give you a motorcycle. If you don't know how to ride, they help you. Then they
give you a learner's permit. They help you pay the first installment, that initial figure for the bike.
How much money?
Around 400.
400. They pay it for you.
Then, yeah, you're given the gadgets. Then you start riding. As you pay that other remaining figure for the bike on loan.
So how much is this bike?
This one was costing around 7M.
7M.
So she paid for us the 400.
That 400 is paid freely. Do they have a certain class of people or anyone?
No, only women.
I mean,
those who are willing
to do it.
Business, Boda.
Okay. So, man, may I know her name?
She's a white. She's Lillian Felix.
Okay.
She's from Spain. Yeah, she's from Spain. So she got in touch with one of the companies. Previously, I was one with the self-Boda. So that's when I got to know her.
Okay.
So by that time I'd conceived, I gave birth, and then my bike had been taken by the company because it was on road.
Okay.
So I went to her. She helped me get this one.
So for her, she decided to help women on wheels in Africa.
Her company is Women Raising Africa.
Women Raising Africa.
So this one, in Uganda, it is Women on Wheels as
free.
A project.
I'm just amused. Do we have those for in Uganda here? Wow, Madam Felix. We love you so much for the work you're doing for Ugandans. Can you imagine someone sacrificing his money so that you get? So, is it ready to employ very many of you?
Yeah, she has been supported very many women.
Very many.
Because me, when by the time I started riding, they were only two. Yeah, you only two. Now we are three.
You mean by the time you started, you were 2 people?
Yeah.
Now you are like how many?
We are in a number of around 30.
So, do you have a coordinator within the country? Or she's the one doing it directly?
Yeah, we have some coordinators, and even herself mostly she's
the supervisor. The assurance comes in Uganda here?
Yeah, whenever she comes, we make practice with her, she calls us like that.
Will I get a chance of meeting her one day?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Maybe she could be in Uganda.
Okay. Just tell her, Madam Felix, one time I feel like I want to meet you, a person who is empowering women here. So, she pays the 400, you get yourself a wheel, then you start paying. How much do you pay per week?
Around 70,000.
70,000. That is 10,000
But
per
it
day.
depends on the bike.
Okay.
Now this one is electric. There is also another model. Now also fuel bikes. So she gives according to the companies she has gotten in touch with.
Okay. Wow, that's really amazing. Okay. Now I'm asking, how did you get that zeal of saying, now I'm adding, it's now high time, start riding?
No, I just need to wake up in the morning. Initially, when after my bachelor's, I'm a bachelor's holder in social work and social administration.
You are a degree holder. Riding this.
So after campus, now you know things of looking for jobs. I looked for a job. I know how to be seen. And now also my age, like that age by you starting to now to prepare maybe for marriage.
Yes.
So that way I started giving birth after getting my husband. I was jobless.
Okay.
So I was like, I think I better work on myself. So I was doing other businesses.
At the campus, you start looking for a job, and then
so it was no like I could not find, even if you would ask for volunteering, like things anyway failed. So I stayed down, not roam on the streets like how I see other people.
Okay.
I started going on a street to buy some chips. Now from there, my husband also did now trade a bike.
Okay.
So during COVID, that situation overpressed him and he had to learn, learning how to ride. So I was seeing him, it's a bit hard for him.
Yes.
So after some time, I saw him, he had picked up and was now riding.
Okay.
I said, now this one should not leave me. I think I need also to learn, because I'm seeing with the time, we shall have a bike here when he's not around and when we need to use it. So I think I just saw it necessary for me also to learn how to ride.
Oh my goodness, situations, desperate moments, calling for decisions. Wow. We are powered by Beef Organic Natural Care Products. At the same time, don't miss Tascalite Renzori Marathon. Okay, Mama. Now you start riding it. It was because of the financial problems and unemployment. How is the business going, and how long have you been doing it?
Yes, so personally, so I just saw it necessary to start riding. So when I asked him to teach me, I think he feared, he knew maybe I would join the Boda business. So he didn't. He hesitated to help me. So I started going on the road, stopping Boda guys that are not carrying. At least I got like a 2 who persisted.
Yes.
I could give them some money, fuel the bike, and I learned within a week I'd learned how to ride. But I didn't want to forget the skills. I was like, let me keep on riding so that I don't forget the skill. And that meant starting to carry people. And since I was jobless, I started earning, of course, Lukumi, now would be like, hey, this is how they make money. So that money motivated me. And now started just continuing, like I started now hiring bikes, and I started going for loan bikes. I could ride, pay loan, Bajaj. I used to look for loaning companies. I go and buy whatever bike I ride, I sell like that. I have around the 3. Yeah, this is my 4th one.
You have 3 bikes, your own. You give them to some people.
Yeah.
So you're also now employing. This means that you can earn at least 50,000 a day. Oh my goodness. This is a very interesting story.
So only that the business just took me, but I didn't just think of it like in the future I will do Boda. No. It just came just because of the situation.
Now,
but it has not done me bad. It's a good business, because now it can help me. Of course, now you know when you have money on you, life is at least simpler than being completely with nothing. Yeah, if the nest is at home that are lacking, I'm always in there.
How many kids?
They are 3.
They are 3. What's your husband's business?
He's a vet doctor.
A vet doctor. So a vet doctor combining up with the Boda rider. My goodness. So tell us a bit about your day. How do you start a day in the morning time? Because me as a content creator, may I wake up a bit late at around 7 because I sleep late. But now for you, how does it start briefly?
No,
as a mom, as a Boda rider, as a wife.
Especially during school days, because now I have those little ones that go to school. At least by 6:30 I'm awake, prepare them, get them on the bike, take them to school. I come back, I prepare the little one. If I have a maid, it helps me also to prepare the home, then I go. Then at around 1, I come back, I pick those from school. I bring them back home. Then I again also have my lunch, then I go back.
So you take your kids to school yourself, and then even pick them very in the morning. Then evening time, at what time do you come back home?
Around by 7, I'm in the market starting to buy what is missing. food, what?
Yes.
And I go back and prepare food.
Then that's your full day. How is your husband taking this?
Oh, at first it was we almost separated
Because of the border. Okay.
Because when he knows that he picked up this business and the moment he knows that this spirit has
entered.
By the way, we almost separated. He was like, no, you can't do that business. It's a business of thugs, thieves, what? He was like, you can't do that.
Okay.
But me, I asked myself, I said, I'm not part of that.
Like,
I know what I want.
Yes.
I'm going on the road to get money. It's my work. So I just persisted and just showed him that I'm determined. I told him, no, for you, they're even failing me to work. You don't know, we can even have here bikes and can make for us money.
Yes.
So I told him, if you have some money, even you borrow me. I have some 300, but they want 900 to get a bike on loan. Okay. So you get me the balance, I'll pay it back. When my vibe is high, because I'd already calculated, those guys told me, hey, even in a day you can make your 30, your 40, even 50.
Yes.
And I was like, I think I'm lying. I tell when I turned to Avuga those ones I was hiring. Okay. You can get some 10,000 in a few hours. So I was like, I think if I concentrate,
I'll get the money.
Yes, I can get the money to pay that bike and even cater for myself at least a few things.
After that argument, did he change the mindset after seeing you succeeding?
Yeah, he saw the business. But he also has the 4 bikes.
So in total, you have 80 bikes at home. You guys are rich and have the money. You're so the manager now.
So we hire them out to people, those who can help us ride. You know, some boys are disturbing, they don't pay, but at least it's
at
now
least
a home business. Yeah. So he picked interest in it because of me. Yeah, because of my idea.
Wow. This is so interesting. Actually, I've just learned something from this lady. The story is so interesting and it motivates. Now, we have a challenge as many businesses as a woman. I remember, okay, I will do that one. What are the hazards you're facing?
Yeah, mostly risky. The day you go back home is the day you count. Have survived.
The risks.
Yeah.
You count the day.
You've gone back home alive.
You're like, for us to take alcohol. The day you go back home, it's what you count. Oh my goodness.
So the risks are too much, accidents are too many.
Okay.
Then also, bullying. They bull us. Most customers they don't want to sit. Even today, I thought you will not sit on my bike the moment I noticed you. The moment you noticed I was a lady.
Yes.
Mostly those that reject me are men. I don't know, they feel small. Then even my husband at times he refuses to sit.
They fear.
I don't know. Or they still take it that maybe because we are weak sex,
so
we cannot. Or maybe in case an accident is coming, you can't defend yourself.
You may not defend yourself.
I don't know. So that is that. Then also some Boda guys, some of them tease us. They tell us, go back home and prepare food.
Okay.
Some of us, by then they speak bad words, very bad. Even someone one time told me, that's why your failures, things for women, you failed, now you're joining things of men. So such things we find their heart in it.
Okay.
Then also, I've ever gotten some bad experience. One customer stole my phone, I think because he noticed I was a woman.
Yes.
Just fooled me around. So my battery is low. Let me enter here and get my phone. But I'm calling, someone is not picking. Okay. So he got in some guest house. But behind the guest house, there's a small gate. So he sneaked out from there.
Do we still have enough light here? Okay, so, that's really bad. Now, the day I found you, you never knew that I knew that you were a woman. The first ride we had from Ugogo. Yeah, I knew that you were a lady. That's why I was like, okay, let me see. But me too, my heart wasn't safe. That's why I kept quiet the whole journey. I never spoke even a single word.
I thought you would not notice me.
I noticed, but I just like, okay, can't worry. But what I liked from you, the calmness, no crossing, you follow the rules and everything. So I loved that. I wish every driver can be doing such a thing. But now, how are you handling that kind of bullying and those risks? How do you handle such situations?
I'm just always very careful. But then for the 4 years I've been on the road, I don't have any scar, like a big scar I can show that this is for Boda. Even God protects me because I always pray. You know, at times we are riding, but when it's God riding, He did. So, God also protects me. Then I'm always careful. I follow the road rules.
Yeah. Okay.
Then also now, like such a kind of theft cases, like maybe stealing the bike, what, I always avoid working deep in the night.
Okay.
If it is necessary for me to ride in the night, like maybe there is baby sick, we are going to hospital, maybe I'm going to buy some medicine,
Okay.
I avoid carrying people.
So you avoid cautions?
Oh yeah. Or in case maybe it is necessary for me to work at night, then I use apps, these apps of simple.
So you are on app, eh?
Yeah. So at least those clients, some of them are safe.
They are a bit safe. They are safe and mature enough.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, mostly that is that.
Okay. The way I handled you was a bit proper. And you liked me for that. What do you tell these guys who don't want to ride Boda, to sit on Boda and you ride? The one who think you cannot.
No, one thing I just need to tell someone. Now, for my case, of course, even me, I feel. Anyway, nange waliwo wenetya ndoza, let me speak it like that.
Yes, wetya.
I feel like but one thing I've still mastered, provided someone has a skill. Now,
okay.
Yeah, I've come here. You are not done what's brought me.
Yes.
Here. So at least get to know this person.
What about the Java? Yes.
And driving or riding, I noticed is heart, not person.
Not person.
Yeah. So provided one is heart is heart,
okay.
And you seeing can do something. I think it also depends, because some client told me was also a man said, okay, we go. So he sat. Then when I started, he said, okay, now let's continue. Like the way I started, that showed him that I'm experienced.
Of course. The way you start, that means where you're going. First, I can't and then you see
Then I asked him, what is it? He said, if the way you started, I was trying to examine you. If I was knowing you're doing, I was just going to tell you stop.
Okay.
But now let's continue. I've seen you can.
Okay. One last word to the women out there who think that we have to have clean jobs, who think things are hard.
Oh yeah, my fellow ladies, please out there.
Okay.
Sente ziwomanga zozekoledde like this hustles. And even those that are not employed and you're educated, you're seated on yourselves hustling, looking for jobs, my dear. I think you will continue. So, but one thing I need to encourage them, like they need to be creative.
Okay.
Creative and very active, sitting on yourself. Now me right now, even if I'm at home, I'm always thinking of working, and you may find if there is something, a big necessity missing. Okay. Of course, I may not even get to have my husband and now ask him, please give me this. No, I just have to get that money. Tell him such and such a thing was missing, but I managed to get it. Okay. So that value. Okay. Yeah. And even not even only women, even there are some boys out there when they are seated on themselves. You cannot fail to have money in your pockets.
Watch the yeah.
You by the way, in most cases you find even leave home when there is no breakfast, there is no lunch, but you sell me 1 hour. 1 hour you can make some 10,000 or 8, and you find you're in position to buy some maybe Porsche one bin, so what something at least the home moves. Okay. But this time whereby you just seated on yourself, money is nowhere to be seen, you're waiting for someone, you order mukwewola, by the way me even royally borrow money.
Cause of anazo. The young man now one is sitting in okay. Anyway,
so that is that.
It's just been a very great evening. You said that lady is called Madam
Felix, Lillian Felix.
Madam Lillian Felix. My name is Wasswa Emma. I'm a content creator, a YouTuber. I've loved the heart and spirit you're showing us. Allow me to send my special regards for the uplifting of your fellow women in Africa here. I wish one day I could meet you and I get to know you more all together. So special thanks and greetings from me. I wish you receive my greeting. Thank you so much for the good work you've done for African women. One day if I meet you, I will say hi to you. So one message to her.
Yeah, I don't even know how best I can thank her. But whenever I meet her, I'm always like, I asked her one question. What do you want from us? Okay. Because I already see what she does for us. Okay. We can't just tell her thank you. Like even if you feel like giving her money, I feel like it's not enough. Yes. You know, someone doing for you something and really feel tewali chosomusa, so nothing you can pay back that can really be big or be appreciative. This woman has always stood for us. There are very many single women there, but I don't even want to recall some of our problems. You find your colleague is crying, doesn't have fees, no nothing, and you find she has called the hound board, given her a bike, given her a permit. By the way, she even gives us phones if you don't have a phone, because we have to connect with these online customers. And then you find if you have a big problem or maybe you've gotten an accident, that lady is always there. She doesn't just give you and then she just dumps you.
But she keeps you around.
Mama, she's a loving mommy. Mommy Felix always very call her mommy. We love you so much. Alan, I love you so much. Thank you so much for supporting me. You've really enabled me to live, to sustain my life. At least, God bless you.
Wow, wow, wow. That is great. You said the NGO is called? The NGO for that lady?
It's the Women Raising Africa, and then the project is Women
on the Wheels. Wow, Madam Felix, Women Raising on Africa, Women on the Wheels. I have so many girls there who would love to join this project. Oh, allow my request. One day, I'll present it to you. Thank you for this evening. Thank you for allowing the interview. It's been great. You know, thank you so much. So guys, it's been yet another good edition. My name is Emmanuel. Let's meet next time. Bye-bye.